Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and leave the rest. And Virgo, if this does resonate with you, I would be very appreciative if you could just click the like button so that I get to know how many it's kind of resonated with. It really, really helps. Thank you so much. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear about their love life the most at this time. Thank you so much. All right, Virgo, let's start with our angel blessing card and let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading. Guidance, blessing, advice, or a message from our angels to you. For Virgo spirit, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. This one. All right. Let's put the rest back, Virgo. So the card I have here for you, Virgo, is safe travel. Did you not get this last reading as well? Okay, anyways, so no, I don't think any of you are really traveling. Yes, that could be on the cards for some of you, but this card actually means that all the angels are kind of around you right now, helping you move from one phase of your life to another. I mean, this could be a very important time in your life, Virgo, where you are shifting, changing, maybe your belief system or your relationship or your home or anything that is significant to you. But whatever this change is going to be good for you, even though it may seem a little scary at times, because see, there's a river that you have to cross, right? But the angel is carrying you on their shoulders. They're going to make sure not even a little toe of yours gets wet, okay? Because this is divinely supported and guided change that you're going through. So safe travel, Virgo. Let's see what the cards have and what changes that you're going through now in your love life. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for all your likes, your comments, your share, your care, and also your generous donations to the channel. I'm really, really grateful. Thank you for keeping me motivated. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in, Virgo. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So newbies, this is just a small little love bite, as I like to call them. Your longer readings have already been put up, more are coming. I'll leave a link of a couple after this video in case you want to check those out as well. But bottom of my deck, I do see the Six of Pentacles. So you're heading to something which is going to be feeling good. It's like equal partnership, or maybe that's what you're desiring and you're heading towards that. Let's open your cards now and let's put this upside down so we can see this as well. So Nine of Pentacles, the Emperor, Six of Swords, Queen of Swords, Temperance, Five of Wands, Ace of Swords, the Judgment, and the Six of Wands upright. Wonderful. So after a lot of delay, people holding you back, you're not feeling confident, thinking we're going in the wrong direction, feeling things are out of balance, maybe some anger issues are coming in as well. But eventually, I think you don't want to have conflict anymore. In fact, forget conflict. You don't want to say or do anything at all. What you're looking for is a rebirth of your life, maybe a reconnection with a partner, and it is going to lead to victory. It is going to lead to an equal give and take. It's going to make you feel happy and successful. This is a love reading, so I'm hoping that this conflict will soon be over. I do see two people here, Queen of Swords and the Emperor, who are in reverse right now. So things may have gone a little haywire for a while. Maybe some delays happened and things were not in balance. But I do feel this fight is going to come to an end. Okay, so whatever truths were hidden, I think, will soon come out. Maybe there was no clarity earlier, but there is seeming that there is a rebirth and success. So let's take a few dialogue message cards before we get on to the main reading. So Virgo and their partner spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Virgo. Okay. One more. Okay. So the first card I have here for you here, Virgo. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. So like I said, there could have been some delays here where maybe the masculine energy was feeling a bit powerless. They didn't know which direction to go. Maybe they thought if whatever direction they go will be the wrong direction. Maybe they were not being strong enough to go to take the right path, maybe, which led their feminine to feel very insecure or jealous maybe, or angry or upset with them. But those delays are going to be soon over from what I see because of the victory card here, the rebirth of a connection here, and a masculine, I think, or feminine saying, I am planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. Next card says, I get so triggered seeing you do things for your karmic that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are we wasting time? Like I said, somebody is upset that time is being wasted here. There's a delay here. Maybe because of a karmic. This could be a karmic here who is interfering in the relationship, and that's why things are not in balance at the moment. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless. Did I just not say that about the Emperor in reverse? Somebody is feeling they've lost their power, or they don't have the power to make the right decision at this point. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to do the all-consuming love I have for you. So the love is there, but I think somebody didn't have the strength, and they were not being able to move forward in their life, and that was creating delays here. Your indifference could be the difference as to whether I continue to invest in you and our relationship anymore. So because this masculine, I think, was not taking charge, was not in control, or was not taking control of this relationship, the feminine was feeling a bit imbalanced and feeling if you're not going to, invest in the relationship, that means you're being indifferent to me. And yes, maybe I don't want to invest in the relationship either. So a little bit of upset and anger. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for how I treated you. Which really comes back to the Emperor again being in reverse and not doing the right thing here, or going a wrong direction here. Last card says, I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see your name everywhere and numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There is no escape for me even when I try and move on, because I'm haunted even more. So that is what is going on. So let's clarify these cards here. Virgo, 9 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Why is somebody feeling lack of confidence here? Why are there delays? Maybe because there's a third party here. This is a wife card. So maybe there is somebody in the mix who is stopping this Emperor from taking charge and maybe moving towards the love of their life. Yes, they're finding it overburdening to kind of fulfill all their responsibilities, maybe to their past. And they don't know, they're feeling they have too many burdens, too many responsibilities, they don't know which side to go. 6 of Swords in reverse, Spirit. 6 of Swords in reverse. This person has been at crossroads for a long time, and they feel if I make a decision, I don't want to make the wrong one. even though they are heart of hearts really stressed. Okay, this masculine is very, very stressed at this time. They want to make a decision, but they don't want to make the wrong decision. They are actually looking also for a rebirth of their connection with the person they really love. Queen of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Queen of Swords in reverse. This, I think, they're feminine. I'm not talking about the wife here. There's another feminine right under this Queen of Pentacles who's in reverse. I think their soulmate is giving up hope now. They are feeling that if this is not ever going to come into balance, then I might as well shut this chapter off. It's no point waiting for something that's never ever going to happen, and they are kind of giving up hope and feeling. Yes, but the love is there. The love is so deep. The love is so strong that even though they feel imbalanced, they feel not healed, they feel insecure, everything is going on, but the love is really strong between two people, which is, I think, going to lead to the end of a conflict here. Yes, somebody is going to take action here, Virgo. This could be an fire sign, masculine. Yes, they are going to come towards, they are going to take that step into a brand new journey. Okay, safe travel, brand new journey. This masculine does want to take they want to take action to end this conflict now, but I don't think they are very clear as to how to do it at the moment. Ace of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Swords in reverse. This masculine, I think, is torn between doing the right thing. They want to do justice to not one but both people, so that they don't get termed as somebody who's done injustice to anyone. So they're not very clear right now. They don't know what the path is going to be like in front of them. But I do see a big transformation and a rebirth coming, which is going to lead you to victory. Judgment, Spirit. What's this judgment going to bring? This could also be a court case here, Virgo, with the justice and judgment here. There is going to be forward movement. Yes, there is. The Chariot is here with the judgment card. So yes, things will be put right. I think somebody will be able to escape. I think this is the masculine. They will be able to escape something which is no longer working for them and be able to charge and move ahead in their life towards somebody that they really love. Six of Wands. What's this victory, Spirit? What's this victory? What's this victory? What's this victory? Things may be a little bit stuck right now for this masculine because of a feminine energy in their life. This could be a mother, could be a wife, but I do see somebody really manifesting like crazy. They are really manifesting a victory for themselves so they can move ahead, charge ahead, and find victory in their life. But there is a bit of delay, I think, here right now. They are trying to find a solution to have a creative new beginning for themselves and the person that they really love. Okay, so don't worry about it. Safe travel is assured. Virgo, if this is you or if this is your masculine, they are coming towards you and they are on the same page. The angels will be guiding you or them and delivering you safely to a place where things can be put right again. Yes, this is a strong soulmate connection here. Don't give up on this yet, okay? There's a bit of delay, but things are going to be fine, I think. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.